Hi guys, this is Giulia from PolyShaper and welcome to our first lesson together. Since this is our first lesson together, I like to start with the basics. The first thing you have to know is that all our machines need two software in order to work, Inkscape and ShaCo. That I'll show you in a moment. This is the orangey model, which is the smallest model we produce at the moment. I'm using the orangey for space reasons, as it's perfect for this desktop. It doesn't matter though what kind of machine I show you, as all our machines work in the same way, through the two software I just mentioned, Inkscape and ShaCo. You can download Inkscape and ShaCo directly on our website. Just go on Resources and click on Software. The first step is to install Inkscape. Inkscape is a free vector graphics software, and that's the software we're gonna use to draw and create our projects, as I show you soon. The second step is to install ShaCo, which is PolyShaper's own software, created specifically for the operation of all our machines. It doesn't really matter whether you use Windows or Mac, because we offer both versions that you can easily download here. It might happen that you may have some problems with ShaCo and Inkscape, but no worries. In a useful links section, you can easily download previous version of both software, again for Windows and Mac. That's because your computer might be more compatible to a version rather than another. I connected my machine to my computer with the USB cable. ShaCo open up the file work, but from the draw section I'm going to the cut section, as I want to explain you and show you how to set up the right speed and the right temperature for your projects. There is no proper rule to set up the right temperature and the right speed, because every project is different, but our advice is to always use the measures the software gives you. In this case, the software gives me 760%. Usually 700 is okay for expanded polystyrene or styrofoam, and 250 for extruded polystyrene. If you really want to give it a try though, you may start with a higher temperature, and then during the process, during the cutting, you can set up a lower temperature. I really hope you liked this video, and in the next lesson we're gonna to create our first project that will be a name and use a water-based paint to customize it. See you next time!